So before you dive into your production task of animating the stills, I wanted to show you how I would approach this task. I want you to view these images as your actors. And as the director of this shoot, your role is to make your actors move in a way that carries the emotion and the right action of the scene. For instance, in this scene, I wanted Alex to look up as Riley spoke to him. The beauty of AI is that it can understand context, especially when you give it images as well as prompts. However, don't forget you are the director and you still have to guide the AI to get the exact shot you want. Now, here's how I would approach this task. The first thing I'll do is upload all the stills into ChatGPT or an AI tool. So I have the 5 stills here, all uploaded into ChatGPT and ready for a prompt. The next thing I do is prompt ChatGPT, but I'm not very specific at this point because I want ChatGPT to contextualize the images and have enough wiggle room to be creative. But I do guide it. I tell it I want movement, I want action, I want the emotion to be present in the stills, in the animation. I wanted to bring it to life in a cinematic fashion. I also add the dialogue to the prompt, and it's gone ahead and generated the prompt. Now, one thing I want you to do as a practice is read your prompt. Every prompt describes how the camera sees the scene, so take time to understand what each shot means. Your AI FB Creator Pack and the generated animations will help you see how these shots work in practice. Okay, so we uploaded 5 images and the AI generated 10 animation prompts. Now, you may be wondering which prompt animates which image. The solution is simple. Simply ask the AI to be specific. Tell it to reference the exact image file name for each prompt. Now, this is why structured asset naming is important. As you can see, ChatGPT is referencing the file names and matching each file to the correct prompt. This makes your directing process much smoother. So I have my prompts. The next step is to go and animate. Now, I don't rush over. What I do is screenshot all the AI tools for image to video animation and ask ChatGPT to give me an advice on which of these tools would work best for the prompt it's provided. And it's suggesting I use Kling 2.6, which I would have actually gone for because of its output. And it has gone ahead and generated Kling 2.6 specific prompts. Okay, so now it's your turn. You'll find all the animation prompts in the production task. Use them as your starting point, but feel free to adapt and make them your own. If a different movement feels better or serves the scene better, go for it. Remember, you are the director. Your job is to guide the actors, the camera, and the emotion of the moment. I'm looking forward to seeing how you bring these scenes to life. Let's see your clips.